Siphinde sikubingelele kwikhaya TV2. Ilungu le-Jamah selithumele umyalezo ophuthumayo kubalandeli be-MK Party ukuthi abanikeze ithuba abaholi babo bayamthemba uJacob Zuma. Wena-ke ungaka-subscribe kuleli khasi, siyacela ukube ucofe ibhathini usubscribe kuleli khasi. Awuke uyizweleke ukuthi ilunga le-Jamah lizikhulumela lona, awuzwe ukuthi belithini.
Thobela dumelanga busheni, hellos. My name is Thapelo Gubisto. I'm the president of ILAU, Independent Liberation and Allied Workers Union. And I'm also a member of Jamah political party. But I'm just going to make this video to give a message of support and advice to the members of MKP or Mkhonto Wesizwe party, because I've been observing and watching how the media portrays MK and what they are saying about Babu Jacob Zuma. I see on social media most of comrades or South Africans are saying, why can't Zuma compromise and join this government of national unity? And he cannot govern alone. Those are the things that have been said on the media, which why angavumile coalition manje akayanga naseparlament, why ahlezi angena ema-court in and out. That is the question of people that are desperate. I think MKP leadership are not desperate for position and power. And as South African, we should realize and see which Zuma is not there to fight for himself, but for the complete liberation of South Africa country. So that is why to him or to them, it is not about a position or going to a parliament and get a salary. He wants to fix everything that went wrong. He wants to fix everything that was done wrong to black people or black majority of this country. But those who have voted MK with the hope that it will be in power or it will govern today, because President Zuma has said no one should go to parliament now, no one should support this administration now, and a lot of you having questioned which since MPs and MPLs were not were not sworn in. So people are confused and wondering if they've wasted their vote by voting MK or not. Let me tell you, you didn't vote your vote. You didn't waste your vote. Obabu Zuma, he knows what he's doing. Let us not allow the media, the white media, to infiltrate us and bring confusion to us. So MK was not contesting the elections or 2024 election for the position of MPs and MPLs, ministers and everything. They contested this election to liberate our people and to deal with the current corrupt leaders of the ANC. Not to be in position, because if most of you says MK must just go to parliament, are you saying for this coming 5 years of Ramaphosa administration, we should accept what we've been going through the previous years? MK doesn't want that. Ubabu Zuma doesn't want that. And he said, ngamana afe kunokuthi abukele thina sihlupheke and ufela mina nawe. Yet Tina said no, we wasted our vote by voting MK. Manje ANC is in coalition with the DA. Zuma is exposing the ANC, that ANC le accessible on the ANC besiyaziyo. This is the ANC of Ramaphosa, this is the ANC of the CIA, this is the ANC yase London, this is the ANC yase America. Accessible on the ANC yafonywa ukuthi it's going to liberate our people. How do you as a liberation movement form a coalition government with your enemy, with your oppressor, somebody who have killed and raped your family, your children? Then you form coalition government with them. South African members of MK, members of Mkhonto Wesizwe, let us be patient. I'm saying this not as a member of MK. I'm not a member of MK. But I've seen and understand how Ubabu Zuma moves and how Ubabu Zuma loves us. So let us not allow the perpetrators, the thieves, to confuse us. They have the best PR media teams. They have the best media propaganda machines, which is Ubaba doesn't have, which is we don't have. And we must not fall for their propagandist machines. Ours is to stay resolute, to wait for Babu Msholozi, to wait for MK, to give us direction ukuthi kuyenzakalani. And we all know that the elections were rigged and the government was not fair, the IEC was not fair, because awukwazi ukuthi when there's about 26 political parties with grievances, then you don't even entertain them. You rush to announce election, even you still have your grace period of 7 days. So this was deliberately done and it was well planned. So let us not put pressure on our leaders of MK to say kuzoyenzakalani. People abajaha ukuya eParliament, amamenemene, abantu esebalwela ukuya eParliament, ama sell out. We are not in revolution to be in Parliament. So comrades of MK, don't be confused and don't allow the enemy to divide you because of MPs' salaries and positions. MK should liberate people of South Africa. MK should liberate the whole continent of Africa. And if you haven't realized how the white powers are shaken, intimidated by Zuma, then you will never wake up. And you must know that when a black man intimidates white powers, then something good for black people is about to be done. So let us ride behind Ubaba Msholozi. Let us stand by Ubaba Msholozi. Let us support the MK. Let us stand united, so that it shouldn't, those that wants to divide us, their plans shouldn't see the light of life. So to members of MK, to members of Umkhonto weSizwe, to supporters of Umkhonto weSizwe, don't allow the enemy to divide you ngama positions and start worrying manje ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani if MK MPs didn't go to Parliament or were not sworn in. MK didn't contest to be in opposition or just to fill those parliamentarian seats and get the salary. They want the complete liberation and freedom of myself and yourself. Let's be patient. Let us not put pressure on the leadership, because already the white system is already pressurizing on them. The court system, the captured court system is already pressurizing on them. What the leadership of MK need now from us, from the South African communities, from the members and supporters of MK, is the support, is the prayers. Ilokho nje inkokheli zethu ezikudingayo. Gamako.